Hello friends, welcome to my channel How I Learn Russian Language. Hope you are fine and taking care of your dear ones. In the last video, we have discussed plurals of nouns in accusative case of Russian language. This is our fifth video in the series on accusative case of Russian language. In this video, we are going to discuss plurals of adjectives in accusative case of Russian language. In this video, plurals of pronouns are also discussed. Thus, in our channel, so far including this video, we have discussed nouns, pronouns, adjectives in a singular as well as plural form in accusative case of Russian language. This is again an important video for learning Russian language. There will be many videos are coming in future on the accusative case of Russian language. So, those who are not subscribed to our channel are requested to get subscribed to our channel as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Now, let us continue with Vijay for plurals of adjective in accusative case of Russian language. Thank you.
Hello friends, welcome to my channel How I Learn Russian Language. Plurals of adjectives in accusative case. So here množeственное число прилагательных в винительном падеже. That is the topic of this particular video. In the earlier videos on the accusative case, I have already told you how the nouns are changing, how the pronouns are changing, how possessive pronouns are changing, and now this is the case of adjectives. Now in general the accusative case answers the question kavo и что in singular. Okay, kavo и что. It answers the question kavo и что. Now when the adjectives comes in the accusative case, there are two different parts in this. The accusative case is applicable for only inanimate feminine gender nouns, whereas in animate nouns it is applicable to feminine, masculine, and now plurals also. The adjectives in general, they answer the question kakoe, kakaya, kakoe, and kakie. In nominative case, the adjectives answer the question kakoe, kakaya, kakoe, and kakie. Krasivi, krasivaya, krasivohe, krasivie. Okay, beli, belaya, beloye, belie. Chorni, chornaya, like that. Okay, medleni, medlenaya, maladi, maladaya, maladoye, maladie. Okay, stari, staraya, staroye, starie. These are the all nominative adjectives. Now in accusative inanimate, they answers the question kakoe, kakuyu, kakuyu, kakoe, and kakie. In inanimate accusative case, the adjectives, only the adjectives which are associated with feminine gender inanimate nouns is changing, and all other are same. Masculine is same, neuter is same, and plural is same. This is case of masculine, this is feminine, this is neuter, and this is plurals. The accusative case answers the kakoe, kakuyu, kakoye, and kakie. Now we are concentrating on this part, plurals. This we have already seen in our earlier videos. Now only this we are concentrating in this particular video, kaki and kakik. In case of animate nouns, the accusative adjectives will answer kakowa, kakuyu, kakoe. Now we have seen here nasheva, vasheva, novava, maladova, niznakomava, okay, niznakumuyu. So which are the forms of these adjectives, that also we will see in this. In the accusative case, in plurals of adjectives in accusative case answers the question kakie in inanimate nouns and kakik in animate nouns. Kakie and kakik. Kakie knigi vi читайте, кого вы встретили, और каких друзей вы встретили в университете, और каких преподавателей вы видели в университете. So like this kakie and kakik, these two answers the plurals of adjectives in accusative case. This is kakie is for inanimate nouns and kakik is for animate nouns. Now we will continue with the examples of plurals of adjectives in accusative case. Adjectives which are associated with the inanimate nouns. Now in inanimate case they answer the question kakie. So here I have some examples of that kakie. So я люблю читать русские книги. Какие книги вы любите читать? Я люблю читать русские книги. Книги, it is the same as a plural as a nominative case. Мы любим слушать спортивные новости. Какие новости вы любите слушать? Which news you like to listen? Мы любим слушать спортивные новости. Я люблю английские фильмы. Я люблю русские фильмы. Английские или русские фильмы. Английские фильмы, русские. Какие фильмы вы любите? Я люблю английские filmy or या люблю русские filmy. Here it is answering the question какие. So it is coming same as nominative какие. The plurals of in same as nominative we have seen the какое, какое, какая, какое and какие. These are in nominative. The adjectives answer these 4 questions in nominative, and here in case of plural it is same as a nominative case. For accusative case also, for only for inanimate noun, the adjectives which are associated with inanimate nouns, masculine as well as feminine, all adjectives which are associated with inanimate object nouns, okay, masculine as well as feminine. Какие слова вы смотрите в словаре? Какие слова вы смотрите в словаре? В словаре я смотрю незнакомые слова. Я смотрю незнакомые слова. Я пишу короткие рассказы. Короткие рассказы. Какие газеты вы читаете? Какие газеты вы читаете? Я читаю сегодняшние газеты. Today's newspaper. Сегодняшние газеты. Какие экзамены сдали студенты? Какие экзамены сдали студенты? Студенты сдали трудные экзамены. Студенты сдали трудные экзамены. Какие журналы вы купите? Какие журналы вы купили? Какие журналы вы купили? Я купил новые журналы. Я купил новые журналы. So these are some 7-8 examples are there. How this in case of nouns which are in case of adjectives which are associated with inanimate nouns, how they are answering the question kakiye. The plurals of adjectives in accusative case answers the question kakiye in inanimate case, and in animate case it answers the question kakik. So after this, so this is all about the inanimate case of adjective, plural of adjectives in accusative case. Now we will we'll go further to the animate case. Now we will see the plurals of adjectives which are associated with animate nouns of any gender, which they are answering the question kakik. They answer the question kakik, the plurals of adjectives in accusative case which are associated with animate nouns. Now here I have some examples. The questions and answers are there. Please pay attention. Каких студентов вы встретили? Каких студентов вы встретили в университете or в рынке, в театре? So в университете мы встретили наших новых студентов. Наших новых студентов. So наши новые студенты has changed to наших новых студентов. Наши новые студенты. Наши новые студенты. This is the nominative, and this is the accusative plural is наших новых студентов. Наших новых студентов. So is answering the question каких. Similarly here каких друзей мы пригласили на вечер. Каких друзей мы пригласили на вечер? Мы пригласили на вечер моих школьных друзей. Мои школьные друзья has changed to моих школьных друзей. So this is here where you have to pay the attention how the nominative adjectives along with the noun they are changing in accusative case. For animate case, only in animate case. That is why this red color is used to highlight this. It is different from the nominative. Мы пригласили на вечер моих школьных друзей. Мои школьные друзья has changed to моих школьных друзей. Кого вы часто видите в театре? Кого or кого can be replaced as a каких студентов. Каких студентов вы видите в театре? Каких студентов. Or кого вы часто видите в театре? Мы часто видим этих новых студентов. Этих новых студентов. Кого вы часто видите в театре? Мы часто видим в театре. Мы часто видим этих новых студентов в театре. Now эти новые студенты has changed to этих новых студентов. So here the pronouns are also coming. The pronouns is also there. The possessive pronouns also there. Своих. If свои is there, свои, okay, свои will change to своих. That also we will see now. Мы часто видим этих новых студентов в театре. Каких друзей or кого? Каких друзей или it can be replaced with the кого? Каких друзей or кого вы встретили в кино? В кинотеатре or в кино. Встретили в кино. Мы встретили наших новых друзей. Наши новые друзья. Наши новые друзья. Мы встретили наших новых друзей. Наши новые друзья Nashi Novie Druzia has taken this form as Nashik Novik Druzie. Kavo ili kakik bratiev on часто вспоминает. Он часто вспоминает. Каких братьев он часто вспоминает? Каких братьев он часто вспоминает? Okay, he remembers which brothers he remembers. Он часто вспоминает своих младших братьев, своих his own, своих младших young brothers и старших сестер and elder sisters. Старших сестер. Старшие сестры has changed to this старших сестер. Младшие братья has changed to младших братьев. Старшие сестры has changed to старших сестер. Он часто вспоминает своих младших братьев и старших сестер. So, in this way, the adjectives which are associated with animate nouns are answering the question kakik. Kakik друзей, kakik сестер, kakik bratiev, kakik людей, kakik inženierov, kakik друзей. That we will see the examples after this. Keep watching. We will continue the animate case of plurals of adjectives in accusative case. It is answering the question kakik. I have some more examples. See, kavo ili kakik друзей он встретил в магазине. Kakik друзей он встретил в магазине. В магазине он встретил своих старых друзей. His old friend, свои старые друзья. Свои старые друзья has changed to свои старые друзья. Has changed to своих старых друзей. Кого вы давно не видели? Кого вы давно не видели? Whom you have not seen since long? Я давно не видел своих младших сестер. Я давно не видел своих младших сестер. Similarly, кого мать давно не видела? Кого мать давно не видела? Мать давно не видела своих старших сыновей. Свои старшие сыновья. Has changed to своих старших сыновей. Своих младших сестер. Okay. Here this is свои старшие сыновья. This has changed to своих старших сыновей. Here своих младших сестер. Свои младшие сестры. Here this is свои младшие сестры. This has changed to своих младших сестер. So always pay attention to this, how it works. This is all about the examples of how the plurals of adjectives in accusative case answers the question kakik. Now we will see how the kakiye and kakik, the nominative plurals of adjectives in accusative case and their accusative plurals. That chart I will prepare now and we will see that chart. So here this chart shows how the adjectives answer the question. In nominative it is answering the question kakiye, and in accusative in case of animate type nouns it is adjectives, it answers the question kakik. Okay, in animate type, okay, or in animate case or in animate type we will see kakiye is a nominative and kakik is adjective in accusative case, plural. Okay, kakik and kakiye, kakiye and kakik. Here again kakiye and novie, novik, novie, novik, старшие, старшик, младшие, младшик, младшие, младшие, каких друзей, младших друзей, какие друзья, младшие друзья. Окей, кого вы видите, я вижу младших друзей, кого вы встречаете, я встречаю младших друзей. Окей, каких друзей вы встречаете, кого вы не видели, я не видел младших друзей. Я не видел младших друзей, старших друзей, новик. Окей, известнее, известник, старые, старик, свои, своих, свои, своих, наши, наших, ваши, ваших. Окей, знакомые, знакомик, знакомые, знакомик, знакомые люди, знакомик, людей, русские, русских, незнакомые, незнакомик, молодые, молодик. So you can form direct kavo and then kakik, kavo or kakik, and then you can form the questions kavo вы не видели, okay, or kakik друзей, kakik братьев, kakik врачей, kakik преподавателей. Like this you can make as many questions and you can make answers by using these adjectives. Here хорошие, хорошик, красивее, красивик, красивее, красивик, смелее, смелик. So in this way we have seen this is the in nominative case The adjectives answer the question. In plural case of nominative, it answers kakiye, and the adjectives which are associated with animate type nouns, it answers the question kakik in plurals of adjective. So this is all about plurals of nouns and plurals of adjectives, plurals of pronouns and plurals of possessive pronouns in accusative case. So if you please like and subscribe to my channel. This is how I learn Russian language. This is my channel, how I learn Russian language, and I am sharing my experiences with you. You can easily learn this language. Just keep practicing and keep consistency. Thank you for watching. Thanks.